Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are cutting through all the noise surrounding generative AI in B2B sales. We're going to look at what the research actually says about its real-world impact, and more importantly, we're going to uncover the one surprising element that can make or break its success. And trust me, it is probably not what you think. But before we dive in, let's just start with a big question. I want you to think about this for a second, because it's something every single sales leader should be asking. What's the number one thing that predicts if your team will actually use a new piece of tech? Just mull that over, because the data-driven answer we're about to get into might just catch you off guard. Okay, let's get into it. To really get why AI is such a big deal, we first have to talk about the problem it's trying to solve. And that is the relentless and, let's be honest, often super inefficient daily grind of traditional B2B sales. One study really lays it all out pretty clearly. Just think about the hours your team wastes on manual data entry. It's not just boring work, right? It's a breeding ground for mistakes, for typos, for inconsistent judgment calls. Your sales team is probably sitting on a mountain of valuable data they just can't use effectively, and that means missed opportunities and deals just slipping away. And this is where generative AI steps onto the scene. And it's not just another little tool to add to the pile. No, it's being pitched as a complete overhaul of the sales process, a genuine game changer that promises to totally transform how your team gets work done. Now, this gets to the heart of what makes Gen AI so different. Think of it like this. Traditional AI is kind of like a detective. It analyzes clues from the past, all your old data, to predict what's going to happen next. But Gen A is more like a creative partner. It's generating brand new, original content, like perfectly personalized emails, instant call summaries, and even entire sales proposals from scratch. And as you can see here, AI's impact isn't just about one or two little tasks. It can be woven into every single stage of the sales journey, from using really advanced analytics to pinpoint your best leads, all the way to creating personalized campaigns that build real, lasting customer relationships. So that's the promise. But does the reality actually live up to the hype? What happens when you put this powerful technology into the hands of a real B2B sales team? Well, one groundbreaking study decided to find out. So a team of researchers from East Carolina and Kansas State University, they went right into the trenches. They surveyed sales professionals at a healthcare company that was already using a Gen AI tool every single day. Their mission was pretty simple: figure out what the real, measurable impact of this tech was. And the results? Well, they were nothing short of remarkable. The data showed clear as day that Gen AI had a significant positive impact on three areas that are absolutely critical for any sales organization. First up, let's talk about sales process effectiveness. The study found that salespeople using the Gen AI tool saw a direct, measurable improvement in their closing rates and in customer retention. In other words, the technology literally made them better at their jobs, which led to more closed deals and, of course, happier customers. Next up is administrative efficiency, and this is a big one. We all know how much time salespeople lose to just admin tasks, the paperwork, the reporting, updating the CRM. Well, the study confirmed that Gen AI can automate a ton of these tasks, freeing up your team to focus on what they actually do best: building relationships and closing deals. And finally, we get to the bottom line. The study found a direct link between using Gen AI and improved overall sales performance. We're talking about hitting quotas, growing your market share, and bringing in new customers, all the stuff that really moves the needle for a business. Okay, so we've established it. The technology works. It really works. But here's the million-dollar question. How do you get your team to actually use it, to embrace it? This is where the study's most surprising discovery comes into play. The researchers were really curious about this. What really motivates a salesperson to adopt a new tool like Gen AI? So they decided to put two key factors to the test, head to head, to see which one had the biggest impact. So on one side, you have what they call tech confidence. Basically, how comfortable and skilled a salesperson feels using new technology. And on the other side, you've got leadership support, how much the company's leaders are actively encouraging and supporting the use of the new tool. Now, conventional wisdom would say it's all about the individual, right? Just hire tech-savvy salespeople, and they'll naturally pick up the new tools, and success will follow. But is a salesperson's personal confidence really more important than the support they get from their leaders? Well, the data tells a very, very different story. The results were, wow. It wasn't even close. A salesperson's individual tech confidence had no significant impact on whether they used the GenAI tool. None. The single most important factor driving adoption was upper management support. When leaders championed the technology, the team used it. When they didn't, adoption just fizzled out, no matter how tech-savvy the salespeople were. So the key takeaway here, the big one, is that the conversation about GenAI in sales needs to be about so much more than just the technology itself. At its core, it's about leadership. It's about creating a culture that truly supports innovation. The researchers themselves put it perfectly. They said that when you're implementing a technology as powerful and new as GenAI, a supportive environment from leadership is actually more important than any one person's individual confidence. It's the support from the top that makes all the difference. And that brings us to our final, and I think most thought-provoking question. As you think about bringing AI into your sales process, you have to ask yourself, is your leadership team a catalyst for innovation, or are they actually the biggest barrier to your own success? Because the answer could be the difference between unlocking the incredible potential of AI and just letting it slip right through your fingers.